Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two Linux distro platform, which is Ubuntu and Pop OS. So let's quickly dive into it. So talking about the Ubuntu in 2025 is still the most widely recognized Linux distro, offering unmatched stability, long-term support, and a massive community. It's great for servers, workstations, and beginners who want something that just work with huge software compatibility. The downside is its resilience and a snapped package, which can feel slow, plus a fair plain genomes experience that's lack modern published. Pop OS, on the other hand, is built on Ubuntu. It takes things further with a sleek UI, a cosmic desktop, built-in auto tiling, and excellent GPU drive support out of the box. It's ideal for gamer, creator, and a laptop user who want experience and efficiency without tinkering. However, pace and some features are turned for System 76 and hardware. So in conclusion, Ubuntu is versatile and universal choice, while Pop OS offer a more modern and a optimized Linux experience. And that's it. Hope any video helpful. Turn the notification button and subscribe for more.